everything now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? So we're out in this beautiful weather. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sprinkling out. It rained all night, so you know what that makes it, nice and muddy. I'm on my way right now to Extreme. Got the waders in the back. Time to test them out in this 46-degree weather. Why'd you end up having to go to the porta potty? That barbecue sandwich got you?
I didn't even eat my barbecue sandwich yet.
Oh shit.
I just wanted to piss before I put my waders
Oh, okay.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, cinch that waist down.
There you go. How's it look right there? Oh shit.
And next thing you know, it's gonna rip.
How's mine back here?
Let me see. Let me see. Hey, you might want to remove the tags unless you're trying to return it. On that. I'm bottoming out. I could.
Yeah. I'll reach down this thing.
No, right here.
But wrap this around your bumper?
No. Shut the hell up. He dug that shit out. If you see the video.
I wasn't giving myself a chance. Okay.
No, I bottomed out. Huh? Oh. There you go. I forgot I put it in park.
Dragging that fofo.
Hey, thanks for telling me. Hey.
What you talking about?
Hey, I was like this. I'm not put it in park to give him this. I haven't even been drinking.
At least there's one
Hey, he's like, you're not even moving. Hey, thanks though, buddy.
Are you a rookie or what?
Hey, I freaking forgot. I normally don't put it in park, that's why.
Why you put it in park? Yeah, what the hell?
Because I got off.
Because you got off?
Yeah.
Because you were afraid it was going to go somewhere?
Yeah,
You were stuck?
I felt like I was gonna go somewhere. I don't even know when I put it in park. I normally don't put it in park.
Just did it. All right, go ahead. Okay, go.
Shit! Oh, look at him, he's gonna reverse. He's like, I got it.
Why they gotta be all that?
What is gotta be what?
Why they making all that noise for?
Oh shit! Yeah, no.
Just go around and come between those trees.
No, I can't. That took my leg. Yes, that took my leg. I went over there.
Now where are you going?
I'm going wherever y'all going. Just
This
go.
way?
No, whichever way y'all going. Where you going?
That is.
Hey,
Well, I'm gonna come this way. You can probably squeeze right there.
no, I can squeeze that there. No, but I'm gonna watch y'all first. I'm gonna see where y'all are going. Oh, y'all are going over there. I thought y'all were crossing. Hey. Damn it. I'm on that route. Hold on, I just gotta give it a little more.